If you ever had a loose faucet, so we do here, as you can see, it's pretty loose. So today we're going to go ahead and learn how to tighten that up. And I've already gone ahead and shut the water off on this faucet, so as you turn it, the water doesn't come on. As you can see here, I've also already loosened up our Allen head. And this Allen head is actually what you need to do to take that handle off. So I have a Allen wrench set. So this particular size is a 2.5 millimeter, which is the size you're going to need for this one. However, you can use, depending on different faucets, they have different sizes. So you can buy a set like this for a couple of dollars, and they have metric and standard sizes. So let's go ahead and show you how to do this. Okay, so as you go ahead and turn it loose, you turn it left or counterclockwise until you can get this bolt out. Okay, so now that you've gotten the bolt out, as you can see here, place it in an area where you're not going to go ahead and lose it. You don't want it to go down the drain. Okay, now as you can see here, you remove the handle, okay, and just set it down. All right, inside of here there is a Phillips head that you need to use to tighten. All right, so let's go ahead and start that. Okay, with a number 2 Phillips, go ahead and just tighten it, give it a little cinch. Okay, that one's nice and secure now. We're gonna go ahead and re-secure our handle. So by doing that, line this up. Okay, take our bolt, stick it back on. Okay, now we're going to cinch this all the way down. As we tighten this up, okay, we're almost there. All right, now it's nice and secure. So let's go ahead. Just set my tool down and go ahead and shut it off, and we're all set. And that's it. Thank you.